Hey everybody, so how's it? I'm right here at Vineyard and Nu'uanu. I've been here at bus stop 388. If you don't believe me, you can go like that. Oh yeah, isn't that it? Yeah, I just threw a delicious, beak-watering, well, donut. That's a chocolate donut that's already over there. But this is right here, the one of those Danishes. The Danishes which have that, jelly in the middle. That's why I broke it up around the side, but I didn't break up that jelly part. Like, how do you do that? So here we are in the lockdown of Honolulu. Here we are. I'll give you guys a quick check it out. There, yeah. There's Harris United Methodist. That's a foreign, and then here it's raining. So slightly raining. Check him out. Good bird. This, of course, is our buddy South American cardinal. And, birds are like ghosts, man. Like that old Chinese guy, he had no idea that the bird was even there. He probably didn't even see it. That's what birds and ghosts are both like. Hey, can't you see me fucking standing right here? No, they don't see shit. Anyway, this is the Forster Gardens, by the way. Yeah, Forster Gardens. Now, my Jersey accent is gone. It should be, anyway. Look how sweet she is. Right there. We're talking. She's the one who started it all. She came up to me, and I realized, oh yeah, I got that. Oh, there's the baby. There's the juveniles. See, the juveniles, the male and female of the South American cardinals are unisexual, but the adolescents, mine a bird, but the adolescents are, yeah, every place here in Honolulu, people have masks on, without question. People are in their cars alone, with all the windows up and the air conditioner on, and they have an effing mask on. You tell me, Yeah, right. There's our egret buddy. Egret power. The power of egret. There he goes. Egret frigging power. I don't know if you know, they were brought here from Florida in the 50s. They're actually from Africa. Anyway, have a good day.